Hello, hello. Today I want to share with you one of my favorite features of ChatGPT, which allows you to actually upload images that has like handwritten notes on it, and it will be able to read what's on it and then put it into whatever format you want it. So what I did is I actually just uploaded a picture from my notebook. Let me bring it onto screen so you can see it has is tail end of one of my meetings. It had a bunch of checklist items I needed to do, some final notes, and I am going to go ahead and upload this, and then I'm going to ask it to summarize my notes and put any of the notes into priorities, and an action plan to be completed over the next week. So I'm going to press enter. It's going to do its thing, and in just no time it's giving me the summary of it. So it went ahead and it read my handwritten notes, and then it's also creating a suggested prioritized action plan, right? So it's giving me some goals to work on the next couple of days, people to reach out to. Now, of course, if I want to ensure that I'm in control of the AI, then I would go ahead and I would take this and I would copy it into one of my task manager platforms. I use Asana, and then I would, make it my own. But I just love the efficiency of going from handwritten notes, and this works for Post-its too, and putting them into ChatGPT and letting it do its AI thing. So have fun.